See children, now we are going to calculate the interest on capital. Okay. So, interest on capital equal to amount of capital into rate of interest per annum into period, I already said. Okay. Now, we move on to the sum. Mannan and Ramesh share profits and loss in the ratio of 3:1. The capital on 1st April 2017 was 80,000 for Mannan and 60,000 for Ramesh, and their current accounts show a credit balance of 10,000 and 5,000 respectively. Calculate interest on capital 5% per annum for the year ending 31st March 2018 and show the journal entries. So, what we should do now? We should calculate the interest on capital and then journal entries also we have to do. Okay. So, what is the formula for interest on capital? Interest on capital equal to amount of capital into rate of interest into period, isn't it? So, first what we should do now? Interest on Mannan's capital. So, first we have to calculate Mannan's capital. Okay. So, how much he contributed? 80,000 into 5% per annum, isn't it? Period they didn't give. Okay. So, 80,000, 0 cancel, 0 cancel, 4,000. Okay. Rupees 4,000. Okay children, next. Ramesh capital. How much he contributed? 60,000 into 5/100. So, 0 cancel, 0 cancel, 3,000 for Ramesh. Okay. Now, we are going to do the journal. Okay. How to do journal? Interest on capital account debtor. How much? 7,000. Okay. And then to Mannan's account, Mannan's capital account or Mannan's account? Account 4,000. Okay. And then to Ramesh current account. Okay. You can write current account because what they have given, current account already they have given in the question itself. So, you have to write current account. Okay. ₹3,000. Then what we should do? You have to closing the interest on capital account. No, closing account you have to write. So, profit and loss appropriation account 7,000. And then to interest on capital account 7,000. Okay children. Copy this. So, what we should do? We have to calculate interest on capital. After that you have to do journal entries. Okay. Copy this. And then next we move on to the another sum. Antony and Akbar were partners who share profits and loss in the ratio of 3:2. Balance in their capital account on 1st January 2018 was Antony 60,000 and Akbar 40,000. On 1st April 2018, Antony introduced additional capital of 10,000. Akbar introduced additional capital of 5,000 during the year. Calculate interest on capital at 6% per annum for the year ending 31st December 2018. So, in this sum they didn't ask journal entries. First we have to calculate only interest on capital. Opening capital they have given, so that also we have to calculate, and then additional capital introduced also they have given, that also we have to do. Okay. Now we move on to the next sum. Antony and Akbar were partners who share profits and loss in the ratio of 3:2. Balance in their capital account on 1st January 2018 was Antony 60,000, Akbar 40,000. On 1st April 2018, Antony introduced additional capital of 10,000. Akbar introduced additional capital of 5,000. During the year, calculate interest on capital at 6% per annum for year ending 31st December 2018. So, in this sum they did not ask journal entries. We have to calculate interest on capital and then additional capital also introduced they have given. Both we have to do. Okay. First, how to calculate interest on capital? You know that formula, interest on capital equal to amount of capital into rate of interest into period, isn't it? So, first what we should do now, interest on Antony's capital we have to prepare. Interest on Antony's capital. Okay, Antony's capital. How much he contributed? 60,000. Okay, 60,000 and then 6 by 100, 6% per annum. This is opening capital. Okay, so opening capital we have to prepare for full year. So, full year we have to calculate. Okay. So, how much we got? 0, 0 cancel, 0, 0 cancel, 3,600. Okay, children. Next, additional capital. Additional capital he introduced. How much? 10,000 he introduced. Okay. Same 6% per annum, 6%. Okay, 6 by 100 into, when he introduced on April month. So, April 1st he introduced, till December we have to calculate. So, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. So, 9 months we have to calculate. So, 9 by 12. Okay, children. So, so 450 rupees will be getting. Okay, and then so you have to add both the things. So 4,050 you got rupees. Okay, rupees. It's very important. Okay, and then Akbar's capital we have to prepare. So interest on Akbar's capital. Okay. So, Akbar how much he introduced? Opening capital is 40,000 he introduced. Same amount 6 by 100 into 12 by 12. Why? In the sense throughout the year. Opening capital in the sense throughout the year you have to calculate, isn't it? How much you will be getting? 2,400 rupees. Okay. And then next, additional capital. So, additional capital how much he introduced? So, 5,000 only he introduced, and then how many months? During the year they have given. So, if they have given during the year in the sense any time, so first month itself or in between they have introduced or last month he introduced, they did not mention anything in the sense you have to take it as a middle. Okay, 6 months we have to take it in an account. Okay. So, what we should do? 6 bar 100 into 6 by 12. Okay. So, we have to calculate like this. How much you will be getting? Rupees 150. So, 2,000 550. Okay. So Akbar's what he did. So Akbar also contributed like this. Okay, children, do you understand this? How to calculate additional capital and then interest on capital? Okay, we can move to next sum. Okay, children. Now we are going to see the next problem. From the following balance sheet of Shobha and Sudha, who share profits and losses equally, calculate interest on capital at 6% per annum for the year ending 31 December 2017. In this sum, they have given balance sheet. Okay. So, capital accounts Shubha 15,000, Sudha 20,000, current liabilities 15,000, fixed assets 30,000, current assets 20,000. Drawing of Subha and Sudha during the year were 2,500 and 3,500 respectively. Profit earned during the year was 15,000. Okay. So, this is little bit different, but how we did in incomplete records, do you remember that, children? Same way we have to do that. Okay. So, in incomplete records, how to open the, how to find out the opening capital. So, that we have to find out here. So, capital on 31st in balance sheet, if they are giving the capital in the sense, that is the closing capital. Okay, you should consider like that. So, capital how much they have given? So, you have to do like this. Okay. So, first what we should do, no, capital they have given. I already said in balance sheet, if they are given in the sense, it is a closing capital. Okay. So, capital on 31st December. Okay. How much they have given? 15,000 and then 20,000. Okay. And then in incomplete records, what we used to do, we add drawings, isn't it? Do you remember the, children? Drawings, 2,500, here 3,500. So, first we have to calculate this. Okay. So, 17,500, 23,500. Okay. Then, so in this sum what we should do, no, already they have given profit here. Profit earning during the year was 15,000 they have given. Here in sum itself what they did, no, share profit and loss equally. They did not mention any ratios. Okay. Equally they are sharing their profits. Okay. So, what we should do, no, less profit. How much? 7,500, 7,500, because 15,000 they got profit. Okay. So, here what we should do? 1,000, 16,000. So, how? Capital on 1st January. Okay, this is the opening capital we got. Okay. So, what we should do, no, like incomplete records, how we did, same way only, but we will be finding out the profit there. Here we are finding out the capital. Okay. So, capital, closing capital 15,000, 20,000, and then drawings we should add 2,500, 3,500, we got 17,500, 23,500, and then profit already they have given here, they are sharing the profit equally. So, 7,500, 7,500, and then if you are calculating in the sense, you will be getting 10,000 and then 16,000. Okay. What we should do, no? So, first we have to calculate Shubha. So, opening capital how much? 10,000. Now, we are calculating interest on capital. So, amount of capital into rate of interest and period, isn't it? Do you remember that? So 10,000 into 6 by 100. How much you will be getting? 600. Okay. So rupees 600. And then Shubha, Sudha. Sudha how much? 16,000 she got, and then 6 by 100. So, Subha's interest on capital 600 and then Sudha's 960. Okay, do you understand children? Copy this. Now we move on to the next sum. Okay. From the following balance sheet of Brinda and Praveena, who share profits and losses in the ratio of 3:4. Calculate interest on capital at 6% per annum for the year ending 31st December 2017. Okay, balance sheet as on 31st December 2017. Liabilities, capital account Brinda 30,000, Praveena 40,000, profit and loss appropriation account 10,000 and then sundry assets 80,000. On 1st July 2017, Brinda introduced an additional capital of 6,000 and on 1st October 2017, Praveena introduced 10,000. Drawings of Brinda and Praveena during the year were 5,000 and 7,000 respectively. Profit earned during the year was 31,000. Okay. Now, first we have to calculate the opening capital. Okay. So, particulars Brinda, Praveena. Okay. So, first we have to calculate. Okay, children. So, capital already they have given closing capital in the balance sheet itself. So, capital 31st December. How much? 30,000 for Brinda, for Praveena 40,000. Okay. And then you have to add drawings that you know very well. Drawings, how much? 5,000, 7,000. So, 5,000, 7,000. First we have to calculate this. So, 35,000, 47,000. Okay, children. Next, subtract. What? Additional capital they have introduced, that also we have to subtract, isn't it? So, additional capital. How much? 6,000. Here 10,000. Okay. And then already they have given profit. Okay. So, profit also what we should do? You have to subtract. Okay. Profit already credited. So, what we should do? No, in this sum they have given in balance sheet profit and loss appropriation account 10,000 they have given. So, how much they have given? 10,000 rupees. Okay. This 10,000 rupees is a reserve amount. Reserve amount. Why? In a sense, if sometimes any unexpected expenses are coming, they shared all the profits to the partners, but some unexpected expenses are coming, in the sense who will face that. Okay. So, if one partner is, will say you go and ask that partner, the other partner will say you go and ask the other partner, like that they will say. So, to avoid all those things, to avoid misunderstanding in future, so that is why the company is taking and keeping a particular amount for reserve fund. So, that amount they have given here 10,000 rupees. So, 31,000 they got profit. Okay, how much they got profit? 31,000. Okay. So, in 10,000 you have to subtract with this. So, they will be getting 21,000. Okay. So, 10,000 you are going to subtract. Okay. So, 21,000 you will be getting. in this 21,000 only you have to share their profits. So, 3:4 they have given. Profit sharing ratio how much they have given? 3:4. So, 3:4 they have given, no. What we should do? This 21,000 into 3/7. How the 7 came? No, 3 plus 4, 7. Okay, you have to calculate. So, how much you will be getting? You will be getting 9,000. Okay, and then again, so 21,000 into 4/7. How much you will be getting? 12,000. Okay, 3 times no. Okay, so first you have to find out this and then only you have to write here. So, profit how much? Profit for 9,000 and then 12,000. Do you understand, children? So, 15,000 here, here 22,000. Okay, do you understand? So, now we have to calculate opening capital. First January, how much? 20,000, here 25,000. Do you understand, children, this one? Okay. Now, we have to calculate interest on capital. Okay. What we should do? First, we have to find out Brinda's. Brinda's capital, how much we got? How much we got? 20,000, 25,000, no? You remember that, okay. So, Brinda 20,000, isn't it? And then 6% per annum they have given, no? 6%. So, 6/100. So, how much? Opening capital. So, 1,200 rupees you will be getting, okay. Here 0, 0, 0, 0, 12, okay. And then additional capital also she introduced. Additional capital also she introduced. How much she introduced? 6,000, isn't it? So, 6,000 into 6/100 into how many months? So, which month she introduced? October, isn't it? So, October in the sense October, November, December, and then you have to calculate, isn't it? Sorry, July only Brinda introduced additional capital, okay. So, July in the sense July, August, September, October, November, December, 6 months we have to calculate, okay. 6/12. Okay, 180. So, totally 1,380 rupees, okay, interest on capital, okay. And then Praveena. Praveena introduced full year 25,000, isn't it? 6/100. How much we got? 1,500 rupees, okay. And then additional capital introduced 10,000 into 6/100 into how many months we have to calculate. So, how many months? October only she introduced. So, October, November, December, 3 months only we have to calculate, okay, children. So, 150 rupees, okay. So, 1,650 rupees interest on capital, okay. Do you understand, children? Copy this.